welcome back to the channel. Now you know I am huge on prize giveaways. I try to give back as much as I can to you guys, the viewers. So in this video, you're gonna secure your spot on winning a prize that I'm gonna give away from Burger Motorsports. Now, Burger Motorsports has been around for a very long time and has always been the leader for your BMW N54 and 55. They've been expanding their scope out there quite a bit to other brands and really just doing what they do best, and that is providing, great products. For the prize for this video, since this is gonna be a ahead of the game, my second one I'm gonna do on Instagram. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, please do so. It's BMW Fanatic _YouTube. Very simple to find me. I'm out there. So that will be for the second one. But for the first one, we're gonna do it a little bit earlier. All right, guys, here, toss it to me. And what we're gonna do is gonna give away a brand new sealed DCI kit. Now I do have it in blue and also red. And the way you're gonna win is that you guys are great at guessing as far as what I'm adding on my BMW. So that's what you're gonna do. What new modification am I ordering here very soon for my 335i? I've been thinking about something as far as performance-wise, interior-wise, and as far as exterior-wise. Let me know down in the comment section below. The closest person that gets it, I'll be sending you guys, whether you want the blue one or the red one. The DCI does do wonders. I've had it on my car for 6 years. It's the first mod I have ever done. It makes it so much better versus the stock airbox. Because once you go higher than stock boost levels, your stock airbox is not gonna be able to target that boost easy. It's gonna struggle just because it can't get that flow in there. So with me running, 15 to 20 PSI or whatever that range is versus the stock 8 PSI, the DCI has done the job and it does it well. And of course, they're easy to clean, re-oil, just like with anything else. Easy install, power to back it up as far as, dynagraphs and all that kind of stuff. So, guys, at the end of the day, it's a win-win as far as for you when you're running it on your N54. And I've been pleased. I've been definitely pleased with running it for 6 years now. So 6 years. So that's what it's gonna be, guys. As far as the giveaway goes, I'll send you one of these brand new, never been opened, never been used DCIs from Burger Tuning. So keep an eye out for when I do my second one. So I'm gonna be doing the second official one on Instagram. Make sure to follow me there. But I wanted to go ahead and get one out early so we can get the show started. All right, guys, that does it for me today. So be sure to comment down there below. Keep an eye out on Instagram, BMW Fanatic _YouTube, and that does it. Be sure to check out my other DIY videos, BMW informational videos, and everything else to make your ownership that much better. I do appreciate you guys stopping in, subscribing, sharing, and telling your friends all about my channel. I truly appreciate it. All right, big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great weekend. Take care.